Good morning, boys and girls. Today I wanted to go over our reading strategies before reading a book with you and practicing some of them. So our first strategy is eagle eye, picture clues. So look at the picture and see if that helps you. Lips the fish. Get your lips ready for the beginning sound. Skippy frog. Skip over the word and then reread. Flippy dolphin. Flip the vowel sounds. Instead of using a short sound, try a long vowel sound. And remember, if two vowels go walking, the first one usually does the talking. Chunky monkey. Look for word chunks. Look for chunks of a word that you might already know. Stretchy snake. Stretch those words out and then blend them together. Trying lion. Does it make sense? Reread the sentence. And helpful kanga. Ask for help. We try not to use helpful kanga too much, but sometimes our words are just too tricky that we can't figure it out by ourselves. So I wanted to read the book with you, Wake Up Bear. It's written by Catherine Follett and illustrated by Tom Bonson. So who can remember? Who is the person that writes the book? What do we call that person? They have a special title. You're right, the author. Illustrated by Tom Bonson. What does the illustrator do? You're right, he draws the pictures in the story. Now this page is special and we call it what? Who remembers? Yep, you guessed it, the title page. Bear slept all winter. Now spring is here. The sun is shining. Wake up, Bear! Bear feels the warm, I'm not sure of that word, but I recognize two words that I do know. I know this word sun, and I know this word is light because it's part of the ite family. So when I put those together, it's called sunlight. Bear feels the warm sunlight. She is still so sleepy. Maybe if I look at the picture, trees. I see trees. Let's see if that works. But this starts with the f sound when I use lips the fish, so it can't be trees. Let me see what else is in this picture. Oh, I noticed there's flowers. That looks like it's right. The flowers are growing. Wake up, Bear. Bear smells the sweat. Bear smells the sweat flowers. That doesn't seem to make sense. Let me try it again. Bear smells the... Oh, I noticed there's two vowels, and sometimes when they go together, they say a long sound instead. Bear smells the sweet flowers. That makes more sense. Bear smells the sweet flowers. She is still so sleepy. The bees are buzzing. Wake up, Bear. Bear hears the buzzing bees. She is still so sleepy. The birds are singing. Wake up, Bear. Bear hears the bird's song. She is still so sleepy. Little cub. Little cub has never seen the spring. He wants to leave the den. He wants to leave the den. Wake up, Bear. Bear yawns and opens her eyes. Timmy, to show my cub the world. Let me try. I notice this word has a magic E at the end, so he gives all his power to the I. To show my cub the world. That makes more sense. Bear yawns and opens her eyes. Time to show my cub the world, Bear says. She is wide awake. The end. So today your job is going to be to read a book, whether it's on Raz-Kids or a book you have at home. And I want you to try one of your reading strategies. And then you'll fill out the exit ticket like you've been doing all week with what words you found that gave you a little bit of trouble and what strategy you used to help figure it out. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing your work.